Hello and welcome to the lecture on exercise 2. So exercise 2 is to create a calculate function. Okay, so let's see what are the logical flow. So you have to write a function to accept two integer values, and you have to show add, subtract, multiply and divide, accept optional parameters to perform specific operations. Then we have to print output from the function, and we have to declare strict types is equal to 1. Okay, so that's your exercise, and you have to write a function called calculate, and then you have to pass two integer values, and based on the operations that you specify into your functions, you have to get that output from the function. Okay, that's your exercise. You can go ahead and do that exercise now, and part of it you can save that exercise in this file. Okay, so pause this video here and do this exercise now. Welcome back. So let's create that function. So first we're going to declare strict types is equal to 1. Then we're going to create a function called calculator, and we're going to pass two values. I'm going to say operation is equal to, let me convert it to lowercase, and I'm going to do a switch. The value is add, subtract, multiply and divide. And for default we are going to do all the operations. Okay, so we're going to do divide, we're going to do addition, subtraction and multiplication. So for each of this item we're going to say add result, subtract, then divide. Okay, and when you do the operation, I want to print all those add, subtract, multiply and divide. Okay, so that's our function. That's a function printing the calculator function. So let's call this function now. So we do calculator 1 comma 2. We want to perform all the operations. Now we'll specify the operation add, we can say multiply, and we can say multiply here, you can say divide here. Okay, so let's run this code. Okay, so we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, divide, and then we have all these operations. Okay, so we have created a calculator function, and we have passed two variables, and we have also created some optional variable here, and then we based on the switch conditions, and then we have done the operation here. Okay, well, that's the exercise on creating a calculator function, and I'll see you in the next one.